As soon as I unboxed the Unionly 180 pounds mini fridge table, black, I knew it was a game changer. It's like a trusty Swiss Army knife for your kitchen. Moreover, it is very compact. This mini fridge cabinet isn't just a stand. It's a command center. Its heavy-duty design holds your fridge securely. Furthermore, it boasts a convenient drawer. This drawer is perfect for snacks or utensils. The integrated charging station is a lifesaver. 2. It keeps your devices powered up. Truly, the 4 adjustable feet are a brilliant touch. They ensure stability on any floor. Therefore, wobbly fridges are a thing of the past. The black finish also blends seamlessly. It fits many different decors. I found assembly surprisingly easy. Hence, you won't spend hours on setup. Overall, it's a smart investment. It organizes your space well. Beyond its sturdy build, the Unionly 180 pounds mini fridge table, black offers impressive functionality. It transforms your mini fridge from a solitary appliance into a versatile hub. The fridge shelf is strong. It easily supports a hefty mini fridge. Additionally, the storage options are plentiful. The drawer pulls out smoothly. It offers hidden space. Moreover, the charging station is always ready. It has multiple outlets. This means no more searching for chargers. The adjustable feet are quite important. They adapt to uneven surfaces. Consequently, your fridge stays level. This stand creates a dedicated zone. It centralizes your kitchen essentials. Therefore, clutter disappears. It is a fantastic organizational tool. Also, it looks very sleek. Ultimately, the Unionly 180 pounds mini fridge table, black, is more than just furniture. It's a thoughtful solution. It is built to last. Its robust construction ensures durability. Likewise, its features are user-friendly. The drawer glides effortlessly. The charging station works perfectly. You will appreciate its practical design. It makes your space more efficient. For instance, it keeps drinks cold. It also charges your phone. It streamlines daily routines. This fridge stand is a true workhorse. Consequently, your kitchen becomes tidier. It is a brilliant addition. Therefore, I highly recommend it. It's a small change with a big impact. Pros: easy to assemble, great for mini refrigerator, elevated, perfect size for oversized mini fridge. Love the look. Feels sturdy, convenient plug, nice table, arrived on time, seller described it correctly. Large storage drawer, adjustable feet work well, works great for a heavy load, perfect item, fast delivery. Cons: instructions weren't great, outlet is really tight, bottom drawer is fabric, you can't put anything heavy in there. Wood panel does not quite match features. 180 pounds weight capacity, mini fridge table, integrated drawer, fridge shelf included, mini fridge cabinet, extra storage, heavy-duty stand, charging station, 4 adjustable feet, sleek black color. The Unionly mini fridge table in black is a strong stand for your mini fridge. It can hold fridges up to 180 pounds. This table also has a drawer and an extra shelf for storage. It even includes a charging station for your devices. The table has 4 adjustable feet, so it will be steady on any floor. This black mini fridge table is a great choice for your home kitchen, especially if you have an oversized mini fridge. It looks nice and feels sturdy, even with a heavy load. The table elevates your fridge and comes with a convenient charging station and a large storage drawer. It also has adjustable feet that work well. While it's easy to assemble, the instructions aren't the best, and the electrical outlets can be really tight. Keep in mind that the bottom drawer is made of fabric, so you can't put heavy items in it, and the wood panel might not perfectly match. Overall, it's a perfect item that arrives quickly and looks just as the seller described.